Takes the blood from my veins, and when we sleep, would you shelter me in your warm and dark green? If I close my eyes forever, will it all remain unchanged? If I close